guys, welcome back to my channel again. Now, ngasi ko na audition ng hangi makakarakpada ako ako na hayop to ni hamuk kay ito sa ba complex number gi mo ko na tayo daw. So topic ni handa ki hangi ba skema mayam sinsuki endi da hangi ba complex number gi kaya para tawtar questions kara hujik na nagadaw gani. Aduna nga si question siya ang hangwan natin question na humuk question ahum gata ni hangi se question ahum je arrive question natin so nga si ko. Okay, here comes the first question. Question the high second. Consider the following inequalities. So complex number pyramid of that complex number they are comparing the complex number. The complex numbers the statement 1, statement number 2, and statement number 3. Now, how many of the above are valid? Matak the period statement on the karam the we know valid over amak valid over hygiene the Sumberlandra the concerns the foundation. Alright, so this is Chumbra or Chumdabra karam chumdi. Now, so the the high complex number ani compared to the complex number ani compared to by yabra. It's like the high 1 plus 4 na greater than 3 plus 2i. So, si se sumbra landra summa na kaino lalaga na kaino and then now can you let's see apa the complex number one on the point na kan plane the square 2, 3 have right? We have here 2, 3 so some point 5, 1 now, can you compare between the points? Points and you make a comparison right? But yes, if you are calculating the distance, then obviously yes. So what I'm saying is that we cannot compare between the points or between the complex numbers. So this is not a valid statement. You cannot compare between two complex numbers when complex number and the comparison so this is not a valid, this is also not a valid, so not valid actually, but not valid statement. This is also not valid, so you cannot compare between any two complex numbers. Yes, if you are comparing the modulus, then that's okay. Yeah, you can compare the modulus, but here they are saying only the complex number. So this all are invalid. What will be the correct answer? So the question is how many are valid? The question is the answer is none. Okay. Here we have again a complex number. So they are saying that we have two complex numbers here, Z1 and Z2, and it is given that here 3Z1 and 4Z2 is purely imaginary, and we have to find the the modulus of this Z1 plus Z2 divided by Z1 minus Z2. It's a very simple question. If you think logically, what is purely imaginary? So what do you mean by purely imaginary? Purely imaginary means no real part. Okay, so that means this complex number 3Z1 divided by 4Z2 has no real part. No real part. So it will give only the imaginary number. Now, can you think of a number, or can you think of the complex number where this value 3Z1 divided by 4Z2 is purely what? Purely imaginary. I can take any two values. So what I'm saying is that let's take Z2 as 1, Z1 as I. Okay. In that case, what your value becomes? So this will become 3i and 4. So this becomes what? Purely what? purely imaginary. Condition is satisfied, right? So all you have to do is take these two values. You can take any other value which satisfy the condition that this is purely imaginary. All right. Now you can choose any value, or you can do the lengthy method. But I'll not go by the lengthy method. So just take any two values. So Z1 is going to be I and Z2 is going to be 1. Now you put it here. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out Z1 plus Z2 divided by Z1 minus Z2 modulus. So now you put it here. So what is Z1 and what is Z2? So what is Z1? Z1 is I plus Z2 we have taken as 1, right? So again, this will be I minus 1 and the modulus. Okay? So we know modulus can be written as here, like this, separately, denominator as well as the numerator. Now what is this one? The modulus, say it will be 1 square plus 1 square. And how about the denominator? Again, this will be 1 square plus minus 1 whole square. But these two are equal. So you can cancel it. And what is the value? Value is 1. So the correct option is option number D. So next question, the item is understand obviously what is given to us is that alpha, beta, gamma are the cube roots of minus h. So stomach handling is the x cube to minus of h. Now, whenever x cube is equal to minus h, root there are three roots. One is going to be minus 2. Second one is going to be minus 2 omega. And third one is going to be 2 omega square. Now, I only am giving one alpha with the height. So first one we will take as alpha. Second one we will take as beta. And the third one we will take as gamma. Okay, so now alpha, beta, gamma, we know the values. We'll okay to put twice yeah, alpha square, p square, beta square, and so on and so on. Now, what you have to understand. So let me give you a very, very simple shortcut formula here. So we're not line a shortcut to put there. Come on, what is the given? No, it's the P, Q, and R. These values are not given to us. So we have the authority, or we have the the independence, or we have the liberty to take whatever value we like for P, Q, and R, provided this is not given. I'm going to quite like to see P is let us take as P as 1. The remaining two, 0, 0 loss. Q I'm taking as 0, and R also I'm taking as 0. So if I put this value in the given equation here, that's a C expression. So we are left only with alpha square, P square. The remaining are all what? 0. Then beta square by even the P square also, where P square is going to be 1, no? So this would be, yeah, this one is also, this would be 1 beta square, and others are all 0, 0. Another expression though, alpha square divided by beta square. Now, in the options, alpha square by beta square can the options right? Now let's put the value then. Value though, put those in. So what is alpha square? So the alpha square is going to be minus 2 square. Beta square is going to be minus 2 omega whole square. So if you square this would be 4 and this would be 4 by omega square. Cancel out this. So my option is going to be 1 by omega square. 1 by omega square. So option the 1 by omega tab, 1 by omega square tab, 10 tab. Or again, we know what is 1 is equal to. 1 is also equal to omega cube, right? Even. So the answer is going to be omega square. So then option the 1 by omega square tab, omega square tab, that will be your correct option. Now let's check out the options. Option number E, gamma by alpha. So what is gamma by alpha? If you check, so what is alpha? Alpha is minus or 2. Cancel out, cancel out, cancel out. Not the answer, because of the option is 1 by omega square or omega square target omega. Okay, let's check the second option. What is the second option? Second option, they have given us gamma by beta. So what is gamma? Gamma, they have given us, we have taken as this, and beta we have taken as 2 omega. Cancel out this 2 minus 2, and this will be what? Omega. What is the value here? The value here is omega. Oh, here I think I made one mistake. So this will be omega, right? Because why I'm saying this is omega? Yeah, this will be omega as well. So this will be omega. Yes. So the correct option is omega, option number 2. Okay, so other silly mistakes in the yeah, so this is pretty much easy, I hope, right? Whenever you see an expression, large expression, don't be afraid. You just have to put the values, the correct values. But putting when we put the values, it should not be undefined. Okay? So it should not be what? Undefined. That means denominator should not be 0. You can play with the numbers or you can play with the figures they have given. I hope this will help you in your preparation. Once again, thank you for watching and take care and see you again next time.